Hello guys, good evening, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm going to teach you guys how I make my compote. So this is my apple compote. So I have peeled my apple on my pot. So this apple is about 17 grams, close to 20 grams, so it's not that much. So I'm going to add my half cup of water to the apple. Then I will have my 10 grams of sugar. 10 grams of sugar, I will just add it to it. So then I will turn my gas on, just for the apple to done. So now I've turned my gas on. Then I'm going to cover it. So just cover it for some time, at least for 1 hour. So now this is the compote is already done. You can see how. So now all you need to do, either you press it like this, look at it, or you have to blend it. Just allow the water to dry. So they are very soft. So you blend it, then you give you compote. So you allow it to cool before you can be able to give it to the children. This is for the children. Yes, mommy. This is mommy's good. As you can see, all the compote, you can press it, you just munch it like this, the way I'm munching it. I'm going to use my, so I'm going to munch it with my mortar. You can see how I munch it. There is no more water. You can see now it's done. Just turn my gas off. You just have to match it until everything being cooperates. You can use it to do tart bomb. You can eat it like this. This is just the compote that you buy in the supermarket. When you finish it like this, everything is smooth. Then you put it in cup for then. So I'll allow it to cool first. This one I'm going to spread it on my I'm going to spread it to do turtle palm. So let me show you the ingredients to make the turtle palm. So this is the parts that I'm going to use. This one called part sable. This one is a part breezy. So you can use any one of your choice to do it. So you spread it on your plate and you put it inside. I'm going to allow you to cold. I just show you what you need to use it. You spread the flour that's already mixed on your plate. Then you put the compote inside. You understand? So this is the compote. It's been okay. So me, I will not do it now because it's very late. I'm going to allow it to cold, then I'll make it tomorrow morning. I just do the compote down. So that I can use it for their breakfast tomorrow. So that is the compote. It's being ready. So you can still make your baby compote yourself.